I'm out here looking for a piece of wood. It's gonna be the right size for our project. No. Ooh. Perfect. Riley said they want to see the no-face mask from Spirited Away. So we're gonna do that. And to make it so anybody can do this project, I'm gonna be only using hand tools. So looking at what we got here, we got a block of basswood, which is super easy for hand carving. I've got a pool saw, but any old hand saw should do. And we got hand gouges that we're gonna use to do all the shaping. And finally some sandpaper to smooth out any of our mistakes. And there's always mistakes. So let's draw on the face, or rather, no face? Okay, let's get started. Now it's time to cut away any of the unneeded wood. The quickest way would be with a bandsaw or a jigsaw. But we don't need none of that highfalutin electricity. We got this. Yeah. So let's skip the gym membership and get working. See, the problem with this bit is I actually have to do the work. Now I'm just dressed like this. So, all right, back to it. Now that we have our mask cut out, it's time to pull out our hand tools. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove the eyes and the mouth because they're the deepest part of the mask. I'm gonna use a straight edge to do the outline and then take away maybe an inch and a half of wood using my gouges. Okay. I'm also going to work on the divots, since we'll lose our outline when we start to round the mask. I'll need to do some touch-ups later, but we'll get as close as we can for now. That should work. The next step is to round this bad boy, and I usually do that whole process just using one gouge. Hey, where do you think you're going?
Oh, me? Yeah, nowhere.
Oh yeah, since people keep asking, this is a table I use to stop my carvings from moving around. It's pretty easy to make. You just take a 3/4 inch board, you drill some holes into it in a random pattern, and then take some dowel rods and put it in the holes, and then it'll stop everything from moving around. Pretty easy to make, and it's been working like a dream for me. All right, back to it. That took way longer than I thought it was going to. It always does. Now I need to re-divot the divots and maybe do some small touch-ups here and there. But then I think we're good. Now that we're done shaping, we need to remove the back so we can put our pretty little faces inside. I usually use an angle grinder with a sanding wheel, but I'll just use a hand gouge.
Oh, come on. What's a guy gotta do to get a break around here? I mean, this is some kind of malorp.
On these inside bends, it's always difficult to get to with hand tools. So to save me the agony, I'm just going to sand away any of the undesirable marks. We finished shaping it. I mean, that's looking pretty good. I mean, pretty good. So to finish off our honored guest, I'm going to use some tried and true Danish oil, and then for the details, just use some acrylic paints. All right, let's get to it. Now we come to the part that I'm the worst at, painting. The best way to do this would be, well, to be a better painter, but thinking realistically, what I could do is take a piece of tape, cut out the shapes onto the tape, and then use that as a stencil so I don't ruin the thing. Yeah, that seems like a much better idea. So since this looks bad, I need to carve off the paint, re-oil it, and then paint it on again. But this time, not like a Neanderthal who's never seen a paintbrush before. Okay, so super fast montage to get us back to where we were. Wait, or could I just sand it off?
Sandpaper to smooth out any of our mistakes.
Maybe. Let's start there. Nope, bad idea. Wrong, incorrect. Let's just go back to our original idea, all right, and break. Wait, I got another idea, okay, hear me out, okay? What if we washed off with soap and water, and since linseed oil is kind of water repellent, I mean, it should work out, right? Right? I mean, I'm doing it, so like, you know, all hands in. Let's make this happen. 0 for 2, huh? Yeah, 0 for 2. So I guess we just go back to the original plan, huh? I guess we just go back to the original plan. Here we are, again. Now it's time for me to put on my big boy painting pants and do this. I'm gonna draw on some reference marks and then just freehand it, just like Picasso would. Wish me luck. You gotta stop sneaking up on me like that. No, no, no. We talked about this. You can't keep taking my food. I know that's just dirt. Just get your own food, man. It's not that hard. That's not what I meant. Hey! We did it. He looks great and not a single power tool in sight. I'm going to try and upload more consistently, so please leave a comment if there's another project you'd like to see me do. And by the way, this is No Face's favorite video to watch when he knits. So check it out. Alright, see ya.